Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Math Club. I hope you are doing well. So today we are going to solve a nice Olympiad maths problem. A to the power m plus 2 to the power m is equal to 30. Our job is to find the value of m. So here m is actually belongs to real number. Now let's start our solution. First of all, this 8 which is equal to 2 cubed. So we just write here 2 cubed whole to the power m plus 2 to the power m is equal to 30. Now here we can use exponential identity. If we have a to the power m whole to the power n, it is equal to a to the power n whole to the power m. So applying here we will get 2 to the power m whole cubed plus 2 to the power m is equal to 30. Now we see that 2 to the power m inside parentheses and this 2 to the power m is same. So we are going to suppose, let us suppose that 2 to the power m is equal to x. Now substituting this value here, we will get x cubed plus it will be x is equal to 30. Now shifting this 30 to our left hand side, we have x cubed plus x minus 30 is equal to 0. Now if we just factorize this minus 30 like x cubed plus x minus 27 and minus 3, we get minus 30 is equal to 0. Now we are going to make a perfect algebraic formulas. So here this x cubed and this minus 27 can be written here, minus 27 and plus x minus 3 is equal to 0. We have rearranged this equation for our convenience. So here x cubed minus 27 can also be written as 3 cubed. So we just make it is our first pair, and if we take 1 is common factor, then we have in parentheses x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now according to algebraic formula, if we have a cubed minus b cubed, then it is equal to a minus b times a squared plus a times b plus b squared. So applying this formula here, then this step will be x cubed minus 3 cubed will be x minus 3 times x squared plus 3 times x and plus 3 squared. Here we have plus 1 times x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now x minus 3 is a common factor, so taking common outside bracket, we will get x squared plus 3 times x plus 3 squared is 9, and here we will get plus 1 is equal to 0. Now x minus 3 times x squared plus 3 times x plus 9 plus 1 we get plus 10 is equal to 0. Now here we have x minus 3 is equal to 0, and this expression is equal to 0 x squared plus 3 times x plus 10 is equal to 0. Now from first one, x minus 3 is equal to 0, here we can shift minus 3 to our right hand side, we get x is equal to 3. So let's say it is our x1. Now we have found our first solution of x, and which is a real number. Now for finding the solution of this equation, first of all we have to just check the determinant of this quadratic equation. So here we have value of a is 1, b is 3 and c is 10. Now according to determinant is equal to b squared minus 4 times a times c. So here b is equal to 3, so 3 squared minus 4 times a is 1 times c is 10. So here we have 3 squared is 9 minus 10 times 4 is 40, and we will get minus 31, which is less than 0. Now here, if it is less than 0, then we will get a complex solution, so there will be no real solution. It means that we are going to just reject this equation. It is rejected because in given question we have given that value of m will be a real number, so we are going to just take this real value of x. Now we know that according to our position here, that 2 to the power m is equal to x. 2 to the power m is equal to x. So here we have recall our position, that is 2 to the power m is equal to x. So here 2 to the power m, x is equal to, that is 3. Now taking log on both hand side, so it will be log 2 to the power m is equal to log 3. Now according to logarithm law, if we have log a to the power m, it will be equal to m log a, m log a. So here we will get, shifting this m, we have m log 2 is equal to log 3. Now if we just divide log 2 on both hand side, so here we have log 2, cancelling log 2 with log 2, we get m is equal to that log 3 over log 2. Now m is equal to, here we can use logarithm law. If we have log a over log b, it is equal to log a to base b. So it will be log 3 to base 2. Now it is our final value of m. So let's verify our result here, that for verification we have to just rewrite our problem, which is 8 to the power m plus 2 to the power m is equal to 30. Now putting the value of m, we have 8 to the power log 3 to base 2 plus 2 to the power log 3 to base 2 is it equal to 30. Now this 8 can be written as 2 cubed times log 3 to base 2 plus 2 to the power log 3 to base 2 is it equal to 30. Now here this 3 can be written as 2 to the power, shifting this 3 here, so we have log 3 cubed to base 2 plus 2 to the power log 3 to base 2 is it equal to 30. Now 2 to the power log 3 cubed means 27 to base 2 plus 2 to the power log 3 to base 2 is it equal to 30. Now here if we apply logarithm law, a to the power log b to base a, it will be equal to b. So here if we just compare this law here, then this value of it is the value of b, which is 27, and plus here using the same law we get 3 is it equal to 30. And yes, our final step is 27 plus 3 is equal to 30, which is equal to 30. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. It means that our both sides are equal, so value of m is true for this problem. That is it is our final answer. So value of m is log 3 to base 2. Here we have the final value of m is, here m is equal to log 3 to base 2. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.